Today, I will introduce this Huawei loader. The body color is a combination of two colors. Are two colors. The height of the body is 1.3 meters. The total length with bucket is 2.64 meters. 2 meters without the bucket. The width is 1.15 meters. Bucket width is 1.05 meters. Bucket volume is 0.12 cubic meters. The maximum operating height is 2.51 meters. The height of the transmission box is 1.93 meters. The maximum height of the bucket when placed flat is 2.1 meters. Rated load is 250 kilograms. The maximum load is 350 kilograms. Unloading distance is 0.59 meters. Ground clearance 20 centimeters. The engineering level track is 72 by 18. With PVC plastic leather material. Seat with leak holes. It adopts a dust-proof and heat-dissipating engine cover. Equipped with O5 twin-cylinder engine. With dual pumps and dual valves. With accurate and powerful power output.